Hello. Do you think these granny sequins are beautiful? I think they are. I just made them. And I'm gonna show you how to make these granny sequins. Not in details, but you're gonna watch me create one. And I just did crochet this very small piece, the circle that's gonna be right here. And now, as a step 2, I'm gonna make the flower. I'm gonna crochet it. How to do it, I'm gonna show you how. Do you guys see these spaces here? In the middle of each double crochet I did in this circle. Here I'm gonna place around 4 triple crochet, and then we'll create this puffy thing right here that's gonna make the flower. This is how I'm gonna start. Like I did, get my hook right inside this place, like in the middle of 2 double crochet, and then I'll try to attach the second color. I choose pink, and then I'm gonna do the job. I'm gonna chain up around 4 chains. 4. So I just made 3 leaves of the flower, you can see here, by placing about 4 triple crochet right inside each of these spaces we see between the double crochet I put in this circle. And I'm gonna continue until I have around 12 of these leaves. So now I made around 11 leaves for this flower, and 1 more left to finish the whole process. I've finished crocheting the 12 leaves for this flower, and now I'm gonna attach it, and then I'll be done. 3 double crochet into these spaces here and here, and then the 3rd time we're gonna crochet in these spaces. The 3rd time we're gonna make around 6 triple crochet to make the corner. To make the corner, first we need to make 3 triple crochet right inside this space here, and then we're gonna chain 2 times after making these 3 triples, and we'll be back making again 3 triples in the same space here, and this is gonna create the corner we need. So this is our first corner, and it's gonna be more clear as we go along crocheting. And now I'm gonna make double crochet, 3 double crochets here and also here, and then here I'm gonna make another corner for my granny sequin. So this is corner 1 and corner 2. I have 2 corners left in order to finish my granny sequin. And now finished creating it. I successfully finished making the 4 corners for my sequin, and now I need to attach it so I can finish my job. And now we're done. Hi, so I just wanted to give you an update of what I have done already. I have finished making all these granny squares once I showed you how to do it, and then I added this layer here, you see, to make it like to widen the square so I can have a more bigger bag. And then now what I'm doing I'm attaching the sequins together in a way that shapes the bag I want, and I hopefully finish it today so I can show you the results. I successfully finished attaching these tiny sequins together after making like a very stupid mistake, and I had to unravel the whole thing and start all over again. I don't know, I commit this mistake every time I try to make the same bag because the pattern is kind of, tricky, but next time I should be careful. And now after attaching these guys together, now I started making the straps, and as you guys see, I'm just here, and that was just a quick update, and let's see if I can finish the whole thing tonight.